The dream is real. The hustle is sold separately. Everybody loves the idea of success. More freedom, more income, more control over your time, the ability to build something that can change your life and create a better future for your family. But here's the part people sometimes forget. The dream doesn't do the work for you. At TruPowur, we're looking for people who understand that opportunity and effort have to work together. We give our brokers access to the technology, training, support, suppliers, products, markets, and systems designed to help them build a real energy brokerage business. But what you do with that opportunity is up to you. Because success isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about getting up every day, making the calls, having the conversations, learning the business, improving your skills, and staying consistent long enough for those efforts to start compounding. And that's where this business can become powerful. You're not trying to convince people to buy something they don't need. Businesses already use energy every single day. Your job is to help them understand their options, identify potential savings, and make better energy decisions. One customer can become another commission. One relationship can create additional opportunities. And over time, the business you build today has the potential to continue producing income tomorrow. That's the difference between chasing a paycheck and building something of your own. The dream is absolutely real, but nobody can sell you the hustle. That part has to come from you. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.